version 22 brings you the new Act Growth Suite, an all-in-one sales and marketing platform designed to help you and your team successfully run and grow your business. Let's see what's new in Act version 22. One of the new features in Act version 22 is the Customer Console, which you can access by clicking the Welcome link in the left navigation. Get insight here on how to approach your day with a new Act home screen that tells you what's on your schedule, which deals are likely to close this month, or whatever's most relevant to you based on how you personalize your view. At the top of the screen, you'll see several welcome links which will guide you through uploading and importing data or just finding help with Act. Act version 22 brings you an all-new look as well. Act now includes a completely modernized user interface with fresh colors and icons. When viewing your Act database with a web browser, you'll notice our new blue color scheme right away. But that's not all we've improved with the user interface. The big easy buttons at the top have been redesigned to take up less space. The drop-down list next to the New button will allow you to create most record types in Act. When viewing the detail view of a contact, group, company, or opportunity record, you might notice that the fonts seem to be a little bit off, and that's because we've left the choice up to you. You can keep your current layout design, or you can use the Layout Selection button on the right to choose the new web layout, which blends in nicely with updated fonts, colors, and spacing. After you make this change, your selection will be saved going forward, and you can always switch back if you prefer a different layout design. Let me switch over to my Act installation on my desktop now, where you can see that we've updated this version of Act to a new blue color scheme as well. If you're upgrading from a previous version of Act, you will probably still see the old dark gray color scheme. To change it, just go to your Tools menu, then go to Customize and Color Scheme, where here you can change from black or silver to blue. The updated web layout is also available in the desktop version of Act. When viewing the detail view of a contact, group, company, or opportunity record, locate your Layout drop-down and choose the web layout. When you access your Act database through a web browser, you'll see that we've streamlined the layout for marketing automation. In the past, you would see a second set of navigation buttons on the left, but we've relocated them to the top of the screen. So now if you need to access your campaigns, templates, landing pages, and assets, you'll find those buttons at the top. And this gives you more real estate for things like designing email templates or designing your campaign workflows. To help you quickly get started with scoring profiles, we have added a new default scoring profile to marketing automation. This will be created in all marketing automation accounts and will map to a new AMA score field in Act. You might notice the new AMA score field right away from any contact record. While we're looking at the detail view of a contact record, there are other new marketing automation options here. Just scroll to the right and locate the Marketing Automation tab. In the Send Email area, you can craft and send an email directly to this contact, or you can scroll down and select one of the templates that you previously created. After sending, this email will be automatically tracked within marketing automation. You can use the Campaigns area to manually add this contact to any campaign located in the drop-down list. And finally, the Scores area will allow you to view this contact's AMA score along with the details of how this score was reached. Let's look at a few other improvements to marketing automation. When viewing campaigns, email templates, or landing pages, you can now switch from this list view to a grid view. Then by using the filters at the top, you'll be able to locate any of the items that you want much more easily. Now you can enable notifications to your campaigns as well. While viewing the workflow for a campaign, just go to the Actions menu and choose Notifications. Here you can choose to receive an email when each step of the campaign is complete. You can also choose to receive an email with an attached spreadsheet which lists all the members of the campaign. Also from this workflow view, you can view real-time logs of your campaign simply by going to Actions, Campaign Logs. Use the refresh button at the top to get up-to-the-minute log information, or you can even export this list to an Excel spreadsheet. When creating a new marketing campaign, You can choose from a number of pre-designed campaign templates so that you don't have to start from scratch. Custom tables users will now be able to create dynamic groups in Act, and these groups can be based upon your custom table data. For example, when I go to my Insurance Renewal Soon group, I can see that I've created a rule which triggers dynamic membership to this group. This rule states that any contacts whose insurance renewal date occurs within the next 30 days will be a member of this group. So now you can leverage your custom table data into groups, which also means you can set up marketing automation to it as well. In my example, I could create a marketing campaign that would automatically send out an email alert to every contact to let them know that their renewal date is coming up soon. All of this can be automated now, saving you lots of time and giving you state of mind that these important steps won't be missed. Thank you for viewing this video about what's new in Act. We hope you'll find these new innovations, features, and compatibility updates useful in Act version 22. And we hope you enjoy using Act.